Good morning, all of you. Let us continue our chapter migration. We have seen the migration, two types of a migration, coming from the other country to our country or leaving the country. Now, next topic from this chapter is brain drain. Brain drain. In the recent past decades, you have seen many people from the country, they leave the country and go to the other country. When we talk about the India, if you take example of the India, many Indians, they leave their own country and they move forward to the other developed country, mainly the European countries, or they also move towards the American countries. This educated people, when they move to other country, it is known as a brain drain, because these people, they get education to in our country, and when they were well educated, they move to the other country. So this is how the trained mind or the skilled mind, when they move to the other country, it was a loss of country. And this process, moving from one country to the other country, mainly the skilled people, mainly the educated people, is known as a brain drain. Now, several factors are there from moving from one country to another country. You have seen in the migration also, the two factors were there, the pull factor and push factor, that we'll discuss afterwards. But this migration occurs, but this brain drain occurs mainly because of the reason the country, like the people move from the India to other country because of the various factors. For some factors are like they get the better when they move to the European countries or the American countries. There, the salary, the pay or the money is better than the pay which they get in the India. Not only that, the living standards of the other countries, because that is a developed country, the living conditions and are the much better than the India. The education system, the health facilities are much more developed than the India. So mostly the people, those who are educated, they prefer to leave the country and they migrate to other country because of the better opportunities, better life, better salary, better living conditions. It is known as a brain drain. Mainly it was a loss of the country, because when the educated, when the talented people, when the skilled people leave their country and they move to a developed country, whatever the contribution of that people will be to their other country. You take example, if a research, the research and development always occurs. When any research or new discovery occurs, it is because of this educated people only. And when this invention occurs in the other country, that benefits to that country, not to the living country like the India. Many development, discoveries occurs, and it occurs to the other country. It goes to the other country. So it was almost a drawback only of this brain drain. The trend of brain drain considered the problem, because most highly and skilled people, when they are moving, their academic and technological labor force leaves the country and it moves to other countries. So it is always a problem for the development country only. What are the contribution they needed to give to their country, that contribution they used to give to the other country. Now, causes of brain drain, if you see, causes of a brain drain, broadly you all know, because of the better employment, because of the better pay. Now let us talk about the causes of brain drain. The causes, the first cause is always an economic reason, better salary. The people gets a better salary to other countries, so they move to the other country. After that, they also having the political stability in the other country, the better equality of life are the main broad category. Economic, they get a better salary than the India, they get a better opportunity, they get the better political stability in the other country. So maybe the people leave their country and move to other country. Now, the broadly we can categorize into two categories: pull factor and the push factor. First of all, we talk about the push factor. Push factor means the reason from which they get attracted to other country and they leave this country. The absence of research facilities in the India, because India is a developing country, the research which is going on in the India is not well developed, or the modern technology was not used in the research industry. Because of the lack of this in research, most of the educated people who move there to other country, developed country, where they get this better opportunity for the research. They wanted to do the particular research in the particular field, and because in the other country the modern technology new method was used, so they leave the country. Employment discrimination. Employment discrimination means, for the better qualification, for the same qualification, the different people gets a different salary. Most of the people in the India, if they are educated, then also the different sectors in the same, for the same work they pay a different salary. Because of this discrimination of salary, the people leave the country, because in the India, if the population is high and the competition is very high, so the people, those who the same education, same qualification, but then also that some people get the less salary than the other. So this discrimination was there. Now the third factor was a economic underdevelopment. Economically, the India is a developing country, you all know. Though economical development is not very high in the India, and because of that, the better facility is not available in the India compared to the developed country of USA and the European country. So the economical development, because of the economical development also, the people does not get a better job in the India, which they gets very easily in the foreign countries, because there the population is also less, and this competitions will also comparatively less. Now the third one is a lack of freedom. Sometimes a lack of freedom also, people move to the other country, like in the India. And like in the India, our society is not very free. Many orthodox were there, many orthodox were there, which does not give the proper freedom to the people. Because of that, also the people attracted to the other country, European countries, and they leave to that country. The poor working conditions.